Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to record calls on your Android device. So, recording calls on Android device is a native feature in the phone application nowadays. You may also follow up this process to manually record a call on your device. Open up the phone application for that, and then once you open up your phone application on the screen right here, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select it, and look out for the settings option from the menu that pops up. After you select the settings option, you can look out for the record call options directly on the options given and tap on it. And you just need to turn on this option for automatically recording the calls. So turn this option on right here, and you can just go over and create up a selected numbers to create up a list of specific contacts for automatic recording. So once you turn it on, you can tap on auto record calls. And when you do, you'll be given an option whether you want to record all of the calls or if you want to record the calls with only unsaved numbers or with specific numbers. You can just go and do any of those and choose selected numbers to create those. You can just go and do so. Also, you can uh, decide where you want the storage location to be. You can tap on storage location for that and choose your internal storage or your SD card. And also, you'll be finding all of your recorded calls once your calls are recorded in this recorded calls box folder right here. And that's it. So, if you'd also like to record your calls on Android, it is pretty easy. You can follow this method. If that option is not available, you can use the third party applications, install one of them from the Play Store, or even when you initiate or answer the call, you can look out for the record button to manually record a call on your device. And that's it. So, therefore, everybody, those are the solutions you can follow up to record the calls on your Android. So, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.